Ever wished you could know who's calling without even looking at your phone? With Samsung One UI 9, you can assign a unique ringtone to each contact. Here's how. Using this tutorial, never miss an important call again. Open the Phone app to your Samsung phone. Tap Contacts tab in the bottom. Tap the contact you want to set individual ringtone. Tap the eye icon. Tap More, 3 vertical dots, in the bottom right corner. Tap Change Ringtone/Vibration. Tap Ringtone. Select the ringtone from the default available list, or tap plus icon to set custom ringtones for specific contacts. Tap Folders in the bottom. Tap Download. Choose a ringtone from the downloaded list and tap Done in the top right. Automatically set custom ringtone in your Samsung phone for that contact. Now you'll instantly recognize important calls without checking your screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Samsung One UI 9 tips, and let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next.